Hi everybody, it's Kevin with the American House Cleaners Association. Hope you're all having a good day. Today I'm just doing a quick video. There's been a lot of questions about how do you access your AHCA resources, your files to download, your service agreements, your employee manual, and also how to access your professional cleaning provider course. And so I just want to do a quick little walkthrough on how to do all these things. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the HCA website and log into the HCA portal. It's thehca.org. And once you get here, there's going to be a login option right here. And it'll look like this. And so you're just going to type in your HCA login. And then once you log in, you're going to, and this is from a desktop computer, we recommend that when you access the HCA portal, you do so on a computer because it'll be a much better user experience and you'll be able to see things more clearly than on a mobile device. So what you're going to do is you're going to start by clicking on the gray avatar at the top right of your screen. And then you're going to click on My Resources. And then you're going to scroll down right here and you're going to see this is where your PCP Professional Cleaning Provider course is. And then the other project that you're going to want to drill into is this one right here, HCA Benefits and Resources. So the first thing you should do is you should take the PCP course. It's going to help you level up and your business level up tremendously. So this is the first thing you should do when you join HCA. The second thing you should do is you should check out the member benefits and resources. I'm going to open up that in just a second. Wanted to show you how the PCP course is outlined here. So I've already gone through it many times, and so my button here says resume course, but yours will say start. And when you start the course, you'll scroll down and you'll start right here at the welcome video. And then you'll go through the course, you'll go through lesson 1, the history of cleaning. There's a lesson quiz after each lesson. And you do have to score 100% on each lesson quiz to move on, but you can retake it if you need to. Lesson 2, cleaning is preventative health care. Lesson 3, infectious disease prevention. 4, the chemistry of cleaning. pH levels, disinfectants, pH safety, contaminants. And then lesson 5, efficient and effective cleaning. And then you come down here to the final exam. And right after the final exam is where you will receive your certification immediately via email. And so right after you finish the final, you'll get to this page right here. And you'll see this box pop up down here. Where do we send your certification? And so you enter your email, your first and last name, and your business name. And however you enter this information right here is how it's going to be printed. And so if you make a grammar or spelling error, you can come right back to this place here and scroll down and you can edit this. And then it'll resend it to you right away. So that's where you find the PCP course. And if you've purchased the COVID certification course, it will be in that same area as well. I'll be right here, COVID course. So let's go through quickly the HCA benefits and resources. So to get to the discounts, our telehealth medical program for employees, all the files and downloads, discount codes, etc., you're going to click Get Started right here. This is also where your Servant's Heart badge is going to be located. And you just drill in to all of these folders right here. You have a ebook textbook for the PCP course that you can print out for your team members to study. Charts on the pH graphs. Here's your professional service agreement. This is an incredible agreement that'll help you raise your rates and level up your business. And you keep going down here for all the other resources and benefits that you can edit, print out, and use for your business. And that's it for today. Just a quick walkthrough. I hope y'all are having a good day, and we look forward to seeing you in the community this evening. Take care.